Dear friends, again I am Dr. Rajshekhar Mysore. Now I will be talking on behalf of Charity, a charitable organization floated by us. So this organization, through this organization we are trying to spread the message of health through different a series of our videos. In that I call it as a DIY series, do it yourself. So in this we have simplified the process of the things which have to be done for maintaining your health. So, too complicated things, too many things and too much of confusion was going on. So to make it simple, I have made a simpler version. So in a series of videos will be transmitting all that knowledge to you, which you can practice at home. Dear friends, now everybody knows about yoga asanas. It is well popularized by our Prime Minister himself. So, but the problem is everybody is thinking that we have to go to some yoga center to learn all this. Though it is ideal, it is not mandatory. You can learn most of the asanas at home. I have never gone to any yoga center to learn. Through the apps and all, I have practiced this. Practicing is more important. And for that, yes, you require some guiding. So that guiding will be done by through the apps, which will be sending links for that YouTube links, so you can go through that and do, but do it. It is not very difficult, not impossible. Everybody must do it, everybody can do it. So in the yoga asanas, there are what I have identified about 15 asanas. If you do, it will take care of all your bodily activities. All the joints are involved, all the organs and systems are taken care. You will get both physical benefits as well as physiological, what we call functional benefits inside the digestive system, inside the brain, the heart. All the functional aspect also will improve by doing yoga. Yoga has got two benefits. One is the flexibility. Everybody will get your joints, your muscles, everything will become more flexible. You will be very useful. You will not be athletic. But with whatever muscles you have, whatever ligaments you have, it will be very flexible, you can use it. The second part is your physiological function like digestion, appetite, your metabolism, immunity, all that also will improve over a period of time. The third is you will get spiritual benefits if you combine yoga with some sort of meditation, which I have tried here. So you will even hymn you will be singing some hymns along with the yoga, which will give you more spiritual benefits also. So in this, I have simplified and combined the processes. So in this, there are 5 postures. In each posture, you will have 3 asanas, that's all. It is as simple as that. And each one you have to do a minimum of about 10 to 15 seconds, that will be enough. So 15 seconds you will do yoga asana, and then you will go into a relaxation state called Virama Sthiti. So yoga sthiti, asana sthiti and virama sthiti are mandatory for each asana. And you will not be repeating the same asana again and again. So this is the basic principles of yogas. So in the process, in each posture, say for example sitting posture, kneeling down posture or lying down posture, simplest one first I will teach. Those who have never done yoga, they will start with the simplest one first. So once you practice that, once you master it, then you will go to second and third one. So for all that you have to go through the video links which will be sharing with you. So this is the process. So first one I will start. Simplest asana is first kneeling down on your knees, and that is called as Vajrasana. It is called Vajrasana. So first you start with that is the simplest asana. Then I will send you the total number of asanas, all the names of the asanas. You can go through the YouTube links and start practicing it. That is as far as yoga asanas are concerned. So when you are doing yoga asana, anyway your mind will be free. So instead of that going somewhere with different thoughts, I have added one hymn. So just be repeating it. In that, you have to tell yourself that you are made of happiness. If we identify with happiness, we become happiness. Because unless we do everything happily, whatever it is, whether it is yoga, whether it is your job, whether it is you are eating, whether you are sleeping, whatever you are doing, you have to do happily. So for that, simply happiness will not come unless you become happiness. So in that, you will be simply repeating that I am happiness. So when you are doing the yoga asanas, you close your eyes and be telling yourself, I am happiness. I am happiness. I am happiness. Let it 3 to 5 times minimum you tell during each asana sthiti. Again in the virama sthiti or relaxation posture, again you will repeat the same. So throughout your doing yoga, you will be repeating that you are happiness, you are suggesting that you are happiness, you will understand that you are happiness, and gradually you will become happiness. Once you become happiness, 90% of the problems are solved. Both your physiological, your health, and your other relationship issues, all things will be solved if you become a perfect happiness. So that's a part of the yoga. So yoga with meditation is done then and there.